So guys, now that I'm awake, you know, the first thing I'm going to be doing again is for me to go and wash my face. You all can see right now, my head is, looking sideways, east, north, and everywhere. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now is to go and after I meditate, by the way, is to go and brush my teeth, wash up my face, and head to the parlor where I'm actually trading and all of that. So right now, let's go and do that. So I'll go and you know brush my teeth right now, and of course wash my face. So that's what we'll be doing right now. So just got inside the toilet. You know, I'm using my phone to just record these guys. So I'm just trying to record this. You all can see. So yeah, um, got everything here. Where is? So I don't know. I'm still staying alone, guys. So I don't know if you guys are going to watch me brush my teeth. So I don't know. Got no tripod here. Let me just try to put it. Okay, fine and good. I think this way we are going to do this all together, guys. So I'm trying to this is my toilet, by the way. So I'm trying to brush up my teeth right now. I'll speed up the video, by the way. So this is a day in my life so that you all can see how everything is going. Yeah, being a trader is not actually easy. So after I brush my teeth and wash my face, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is I have face wash right there. Let me go get it, bro. So I don't use this often, but most times, this is oil control facial wash. You will see it. And this is a Neutrogena fresh and clear. So I'm just going to apply this separately to just, wash my face, and that's all, nothing much. So just going to apply this. Oops. Haha. Yo, that's my camera has fallen. So it is what it is. The camera doesn't want me to, do video for you guys. So I have to put this again. You will see that. So I'm done with that, guys. Remember for me to clean up my face. Better. So yeah, today is Monday, and what I'm going to be doing next is I have to head to my trading station where I actually trade the market, so that to check whatever the market has for us today. That's why I want to go to to my trading station right now. So yeah. Oh my goodness. The AC here, guys, is something else. I forgot to off AC. Let's strip it off. I don't know if you all can see that. It was still on. So yeah, so this is my trading station right now. I have to switch on the television, and of course I have to switch on everything, guys. So let's see. So the PC is coming up, and of course television is coming up as well. So yeah, in the meantime, guys, I'm going to show you whatever I'm going to be doing next. I'm just trying to check the market, what the market has for us and all of that. So let's see and do that, guys. Okay, guys, let's start with the analysis. So this is going to be a GBP USD analysis right now. And you all know how I actually do my analysis. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go down the daily time frame so that to see a bigger view of what is actually going on in the market. So right now, this is GBP USD and this is daily time frame. So you all can see that the market right now is trying to push to the upside. That's the overall trend. That's the first thing I'm seeing, or I'm able to see on this particular PAB in GBP USD. You can see the trend line that I just drew is indicating that the market is pushing to the upside. Then definitely we have some of these patterns that happened. So I just mark out these levels. This is my support level, resistance level. Then now this is another resistance level. This is another support level as well. But if I go down to the 4-hour time frame, I should be able to see what is actually happening, on 4-hour time frame as well. So daily time frame, I'm just using it to mark out my major support and resistance. Then I narrow down to the 4-hour time frame to just see what are the changes that I need to make and all of that on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame right now, you all can still see that the trend line is still valid, but my support and resistance, I have to add more in order for me, to keep on with whatever is happening right now in the market. So of course I will have to add one more here as well. Then I will narrow down to the 1-hour time frame to see what the market is doing on the 1-hour time frame as well. So yeah, this is 1-hour time frame. You can see my major support level right here. If the market eventually break out of this around price 1.30879, definitely that's where the market is going to go down next, which is around price 1.28612. That's where the market is going to go next. So right now what I'm seeing on GBP USD is that the market was pushing to the downside, but right now, was pushing to the upside, but right now it's coming back down for a retracement. Definitely, if eventually the market break out of this 1.30879 price, definitely is going to continue to go down to the downside. But failure to do that, I'm going to expect the market to push up to the upside. So why I say so is you all can see if I just plot my trend line right here where the market was pushing to the downside, definitely you all see what happened. The market broke out, and this was NFP move on Friday, guys. Don't forget that this was NFP move on Friday. Then right now I'm seeing another level here, which is going to give me what I call head and shoulders. This is inverted head and shoulders. If I should mark it out, you all are going to see what I'm saying. From this, I have this my left shoulder, then I have my head, then broke out. This was NFP move, guys. NFP made this move to happen this way, else this is where the market stopped earlier. But right now NFP made this move, then boom, created another right shoulder. So I'm going to expect another push to the upside, which is going to give me this swing high to create another higher high to the upside. So I have my left shoulder head and the right shoulder right here. So definitely, this is London session, 7 a.m. my time actually, and 8 a.m. will be London session, and of course by 1 p.m. we are going to be in New York session. So definitely by then, guys, we will see how the market is reacting. But right now at this level, I'm going to see if the market is going to continue to push to the downside or is going to continue to push to the upside. So whatever the market is doing right now, I'm going to update you guys during New York session. So definitely there's not much things to happen fundamentally in the market today. I can't really see anything happening fundamentally as well. So you all can see there's nothing happening, no news, no nothing. As I said earlier, today is Monday, so we don't actually get to see fundamentals happening on Mondays that much. So yeah, that's just what I have right now this morning, guys. So there's no trade to take, no nothing, no need to react, and no need to get into any trade based on the fact that there's no confirmation to get an entry point. So yeah, by 1 o'clock, which is going to be a New York session time, definitely we are going to go and see if we'll see an entry point, or we are going to still wait for the market to give us perfect entry to get in. And of course, guys, I'm going to be trading on one of my accounts, which is an FTMO account. Let me try to see if you all can see that, but this is the account right now on my phone, so I don't know if you all can see that, but that's the account. Anyways, I'll just screenshot it down, put it there so that you all can see that. So that's the account that we're going to be trading this week, guys. So yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys during New York session. Yeah, what's up, guys? How you all doing? So Israel the Trader here. I'm here to update you guys in respect to what I said earlier, that I'm going to update you during New York session. But right now, guys, I was not able to get an entry point to enter the market during New York session yesterday. So today is actually Tuesday. So right now I'm in one trade, and let me show you the trade. This is GBP/USD. So like I said earlier during our analysis, I made mention about this move right here, that the market is creating what we refer as inverted head and shoulders, right? But the market broke out of that particular right shoulder, boom, to this point, now back retesting again. So that's one of the reasons why I sold this particular market. But remember what I said yesterday, that if the market is eventually able to break out of this price 1.30879, definitely the next target is down below, but my target right now is just about 100 pips. Of course, that's the update I have right now. And this is our Telegram channel, which is our free Telegram channel, Israel the Trader channel. So yeah, on Telegram, I've sent them the signal this morning, and of course, the analysis and so on and so forth. So guys, I'll keep on updating you guys. Of course, I'm trading FTMO account right now, so I'm going to show you guys the trade I have on FTMO so that you all can see it as well. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in our next video. Definitely, I'm going to keep on updating you guys on whatever happens on this particular account, which is $100,000 FTMO account. So whatever happens, it is what it is. So that's how trading works, guys. And of course, I will see you guys in the meantime. Yeah, see you, man.